Have you checked your Apple TV recently? If you have not looked at it in a few days, you might be missing out on some massive upgrades. Stop what you are doing and turn on your TV. Apple TV tvOS 26.4 is officially out of beta and ready to download. Right now on your Apple TV 4K units, this is not just a small background update. There are brand new features to explore today. Old clunky apps have been removed forever. We'll also find major audio fixes that will completely change how you walk. Watch movies. Should you upgrade to this new version? Absolutely. I always recommend grabbing the latest software. Behind the scenes, Apple packed this release with bug fixes, performance boosts, and better overall stability. So if you are debating whether to install this update, go ahead and do it right away. Now let us dive right into the 4 biggest changes in tvOS 26.4 and see exactly what your Apple TV can do today. First up, let's talk about what is actually missing from your screen. The standalone iTunes movies and TV shows apps are officially gone. For a very long time, these apps felt completely unnecessary. Apple has been pushing all the good stuff into the main Apple TV app anyway. Most of us stopped clicking on those old blue icons years ago. If you still had those icons buried in a folder on your home screen, they will vanish completely as soon as you update to version 26.4. Honestly, this is a really great move. It cleans up the user interface significantly, forces the main TV app to get better and better. Good riddance to all that unnecessary clutter on our screens. I'm really looking forward to seeing how Apple continues to improve the main application. Now that the old ones are crushed, next up is a massive upgrade for home theater fans. This new feature is called the Continuous Audio Connection. You can find this setting by going to your main settings menu. Then click on Video and Audio and look under the Audio Format section. We'll see it sitting right there under HDMI output. But you need to know there is a catch. You must be using Dolby Atmos for this to work. If you have Dolby Atmos disabled, or if your sound system does not support it, this feature will simply not show up at all. It is built entirely for HDMI connections, not for Bluetooth or HomePods. So, what does it actually do? It sends out a consistent audio wrapper. Instead of your receiver constantly switching formats and causing audio drops, loud pops, or annoying sync delays, the Apple TV keeps everything inside a special Dolby container. Your audio system never sees a change in format. Whether you are browsing menus, hearing menu beeps, or jumping between different movies, the audio connection stays locked in. It takes away the risk of harsh noises when formats turn on and off. If you value a smooth and delay-free audio experience, you will absolutely love this addition. Let us move over to the TV app itself. Finding a good movie can be a serious headache, but tvOS 26.4 introduces Genius Browse. If you scroll down the home section of the Apple TV app, you will spot this new feature. It works exactly like a smart search engine for your entertainment. It looks at the genres and movies you already enjoy watching, so then it pulls content from all over the place, not just iTunes. If you watch a lot of science fiction, you will see custom lists full of sci-fi adventures like Star Wars or Marvel. It is perfect for movie buffs who are tired of endlessly scrolling. The categories feel very fresh, and the system clearly knows what you like based on your viewing history. It is highly likely that Apple will keep rotating and updating these categories over time to keep your home screen interesting. The final major change is all about your subtitles. You can now change how your subtitles look on the fly, right from the video player. You do not have to exit your movie and go through the main settings app anymore. Any app that uses the default Apple player will benefit from this. Just bring up the playback menu while watching a movie. Alongside turning subtitles on or off and changing the language, you can now pick the exact visual style. You get default options like classic, large text, outline text, and transparent background. Personally, outline text is my absolute favorite. It is super clear without covering up too much of the screen. Classic can feel a bit too distracting, and transparent is sometimes hard to read depending on the scene. If you need something specific, you can build custom styles. You can pick your own fonts, sizes, colors, background styles, and edge styles. This is a massive win for accessibility. Being able to change these settings directly inside the movie player makes the viewing experience so much smoother. So what is the final verdict on tvOS 26.4? In my honest opinion, this is a fantastic update that you need to install. The continuous audio connection solves a very real headache for home theater owners who hate audio pops and sync delays. The new subtitle menu is incredibly convenient, long overdue, and great for accessibility. Plus, cleaning out the old iTunes apps makes the operating system feel much more modern. Apple truly nailed it with this software release. It is stable, smart, and packed with practical improvements. In my view, the Apple TV 4K remains the absolute best streaming box on the market today. And this flawless software update proves exactly why it is worth every penny. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.